Gonna do a quick one today. Just a simple explanation video on why not to buy a junkyard motor without going through it. I figured I'd talk while I've got this block getting bored out right now. And you would have seen this on me tearing apart a motor out of a quad. Go back and watch that if you'd like. Just completely destroyed, dusted, ran until there's no oil, and holes in the crankcase. So we bought another motor off of the internet, a used one. Guy said, "Oh, pulled out of a running quad, not a problem. Just go ahead and throw it in and you'll be good to go." Well, I'm a machine shop, so it's real easy for me to take apart a motor and check everything. And the great thing about motorcycle engines is you got 4 bolts holding on the head and the cylinder, and you've already got the motor out. It's out. It take 20 minutes, pull it apart, and just check it. And in this case, I'm glad I did, because it's been dusted, valves are shot, new valves on the way. Cylinder wall, we got a nice little scarring right there, and you can kind of see the waviness on the sides. It's wore out cylinder. Bottom end, great shape. But one of the questions I get a lot of is, what do you think about junkyard motors? My motor's bad. I need to put a new motor in it. Should I just go pick and pull and get one? Pick apart or anything like that? If your motor is done, but it's rebuildable, just rebuild it. Because you know the problem you have, go ahead and just fix it. If you go to a junkyard and buy a motor and slap it in your car, what do you have? It's a junkyard motor. Your explanation on why it's a bad idea is in the name. So, sure, if you got a hole in your block or cylinder heads are just done or anything like that, sure, buy a motor, but please at least just inspect it. Tear it apart and inspect it. In this case, it took me 20 minutes to do an inspection on it, and we're going to be boring that. So there's going to be a video coming up real soon on that. But yeah, don't just buy junkyard engines and put them in whatever you're doing, unless you're dirt poor. In this case, it would have ran, but not good. It would have smoked, and we would have been doing the same thing as before. So we're going to rebuild the head, bore the cylinder, and get this thing back together. So, just a quick explanation. Junkyard motors, it's in the name. It's junk.